Namaste, children. Welcome back to social science class. Children, in today's class, let us learn about education and healthcare. As we all know that Mysuru is an education center. It has better literacy rate, children, and education sector received good encouragement from the rulers of Mysuru. The many rulers of the Mysuru, especially Krishnaraja Odear, they gave lot of encouragement for the education. The University of Mysuru. You can see the University of Mysuru. This is the University of Mysuru, children. It was established in the year 1915 and now is century old, 100 years over. Now 2021, isn't it? Just calculate, it is more than 100 years. And many districts of this division has engineering and medical colleges. And here you can see Mangaluru University. It is in Dakshina Kannada district. And there are many private universities in this division. And children, the Central Food Technology Research Institute is in Mysuru city. This is the Central Food Technological Research Institute, which is in Mysuru city. And the Sutturu Mata. You can see Sutturu Mata here. Children, see how many children are taking education, isn't it? It has contributed a lot in the field of education in Sutturu Mata. And all the districts of this division have district hospitals. And also there are rural sub-health centers in rural areas to provide medical care to rural people. Medical care. This is there are so many. This is one example of the rural sub-health centers. And here children are regularly vaccinated. You all know, isn't it, children? You all go to take the vaccinations regularly. So, like that, children are regularly vaccinated in the rural sub health centers. To provide healthcare facilities to pregnant women, health assistant and ASHA workers are available. And Mysuru division has the lowest child mortality rate. See, lowest child mortality rate, death rate of children. The life expectancy of people is better. So the life expectancy is better in this division. And maternal mortality rates are also lower. These are the indicators of better health status of people, because if the health is there, the mortality rates definitely it comes down, children. So here you can see maternal mortality, child mortality rates, everything has reduced, and the life expectancy of people has become more. So these are the indicators of better health status of people. And let me tell you about the cultural heritage of Mysuru division. Mysuru division is rich in its cultural heritage, and the nature is at her best in this division, because children, this division has got dense forest, rivers, diverse wild animals, amazing waterfalls, marvelous art and architecture, and also good literature. Well, Mandya is famous for sugar. This is sugar cane, children. Mandya is famous for sugar because they extract sugar from sugar cane. And sugar, Hassan and Chikmagaluru. Hassan and Chikmagaluru are famous for coffee, while coastal districts are famous for Ekshagana. And Chamrajnagara is famous for Kamsale. And also the temples of Somnathpura and Belur are known for their Madanika idols. Madanika, or we also call as Sala Bhanjika, Sala Bhanjika or Madhanika we call. So Madhanika, see uh, each Madhanika will be in a different postures, and see the beautiful carving of it, detailed carving they have made. And Gomateshwara statue, children, see, look at this Gomateshwara statue. It is the monolith idol of Shravanabelagola, which belongs to this division. Children, if you go there, uh, just if we reach that place itself, we get lot of peace. So, if anybody has not visited this place, please go and visit. This is a monolith idol, children. Just find out. Now, this is an activity for you. You must find out how long and how many years old, all that details. You must collect the information about Gomateshwara, a monolith idol of Shravanabelagola. And there are many temples in this division. They are known for their architecture and also carvings. And districts of Mysuru division has got huge potential tourism. And you can see here, children, this is river Kaveri. River Kaveri is the lifeline of Karnataka. It originates in Talakaveri of Kodagu district. This division has coastal line running into hundreds of kilometers. Fishery, this is Talakaveri, children, where Kaveri originates. Kaveri originates in Talakaveri. This is the place. And also they have got the coastal line running into hundreds of kilometers. This is fishery. Main occupation in the coastal line or fishery. And ports, you can see number of ports there. And sea-based adventurous sports, in the sea-based adventurous sports are also played here, like river rafting and etc. And also educational institutions have been seen here. And all children, khadi, which was very close to Gandhi product, Gandhiji. See, you all know, isn't it? Gandhiji started to have a spinning wheel, that is charaka, and started to prepare khadi clothes and wear only that. So, which was the khadi which was closer to Gandhi, production center in the form of cottage industries were widely available in this division. You can see this is the weaving picture. Okay. And Kudmul Rangarao. Kudmul Rangarao is from Mangaluru. He has dedicated his whole life for the upliftment of untouchables. And Tagaduru Ramachandra Rao, he is a staunch follower of Gandhiji. So he also worked for the upliftment of untouchables. And H.C. Dasappa, Yashodhara Dasappa, Karnad Sadashivrao, H.K. Veeranagowda, K.T. Bhashyam, Kamaladevi Chattopadhyaya, K.V. Shankaregowda, K. Ramakrishna Karanta, C.M. Punacha, and many others, they participated in the freedom struggle. Many were involved in the Karnataka integration movement also, children. Like this, the districts of Mysuru have achieved national and international fame. You all know, by looking at this picture, what thought will come to in your mind, children? See, these elephants are carrying Ambari, Lord Chamundeshwari's idol it is carrying. Okay, so Ambari is taken in the Mysuru Dasara festival. You have known the Mysuru Dasara festival is popular internationally also, nationally as well as internationally. You can see a huge number of people gathered there to watch this, the grandeur of this Dasara festival in the Mysuru. So children, with this I have completed up to freedom fighters. So you must learn for your FA1 carefully all the portions done till today. Okay children, thank you.